Hello, my friend. This is Raghuveer Goel live at the White House in Washington, D.C. We just had a press conference with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Donald Trump, and they spoke about the U.S.-India relations and also the Khatarnak, the terrorist in the U.S. wanted for 2008 Mumbai terrorism or terrorist will be sent back to India to face justice in India under the Indian law. That was announced by President Trump. And also energy and U.S.-India relations on defense and India, make in India, made in India, make in America, made in America, and also energy and also CNG and also C-335. E-35 plane will be sold to India by the US, and many other events will take place between the two countries, and Prime Minister was honored by President Donald Trump today at the White House, and it was a great meeting and great honor for India. And Prime Minister said as far as the illegals are concerned, there was a question why US did deported Indians like that the way they should not have been. And because Prime Minister even said that because no one should be allowed to enter the country illegally in another country, and they should not be there because they are given big lights and big by these human trafficking. They spend millions and millions of dollars and crores of rupees as far as this concern, as far as they should not be here in America, and we will go after those traffickers who bring those people back here in the U.S. and enter illegally because of they are given big boost and big promises and big dreams that they will get job, they will get everything here, but that's not true, and that's why that we both will work together against these human traffickers in the U.S. You have seen that everything was here as far as all our relations between the two countries are concerned, and we will not be allowed, we should not be allowed to go through all that. Once again, thank you so much again. This is Raghuveer Goel live at the White House, East Room of the White House, where we just took press briefing there with the President Donald Trump.